Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. That's something in my teeth. It's teeth in my teeth. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. Today, I'm doing a Get Ready With Me with one of my very favorite Trixie Mattel products, and that is the Bottle Blonde palette. It's one of her first palettes that I love, and it is gorgeous, and it just speaks to me in at least 2 different languages. So let's get in here and do a look with my hooded eyes, my little hooded eyes tutorial for you. I'm going to go here in the roller set and put that in the crease. It's super pigmented and blends out super nice. Super, super, super. Is that going to be the word for the video? Possibly. It is beautiful. That looks so nice. And I'm going to go into Mauve Mentality. It's a shimmer. Or Wig. Wig is a good one. I think I'm going to Wig. Looks like I've been there before. Let me get into that. Dig in. That's a nice little shimmer. It goes great with roller set. I mean, this whole palette just is effortless. So pretty so far. Watch out, it could get ugly. But I won't let that happen because I'm too vain to look ugly. Maybe that's ugly saying that, but I'm going to go in front of me for the outside corner. I definitely need a blending brush on that side. Woo! Blending brush on fleek. That looks super cute. I'm going to go back in with roller set. Get in here with a little naked. It's a little naked on the inside corner there. Much better. I'm going to go in with my finger into Polished, which is this beautiful lavender color. That's my little bright highlight for my eye look. Don't tell me it's hard panning. Very pretty. I'm loving this a lot. Now I'm going to do some eyeliner and mascara. I'm all about this double-ended Stila black mascara. It's an intense black. And it's got a skinny point. And then it's got a fat point. It's not that fat, but it's much easier to do a little wing. A little tiny wing. Wing. My husband loves wings. Not these kind. The kind that you eat with barbecue sauce and such. The drummies and the flats. That's what he's into. He likes all the parts of the wing. He's the kind that puts it in his mouth, twists it around, and pulls it out, and it's off the bone. But that is neither here nor there. And we're going to use the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara because it's super nice. Oh, I'm still missing that tooth. I'm working on it. It's a dental project. I'm going to a dental school, so everything takes a long time. Wow, that is super clumpy. My eyelashes on my left side are longer than my right side. Oh, super clumpy. But you know, I got mascara on, that's for sure. And for my lip, I'm going to do a pretty nude, which is Seductress number 65, Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. I can't go wrong with this lip color. It's beautiful. Super cute, super lovely. We love lipstick because it's bubbly. And then we have a full look with the Trixie Mattel Bottle Blonde palette. It looks great. It never misses. I'm not ever going to declutter this until it crumbles and falls apart and goes into the sea. Have a great day or day of choice, and we'll see you real soon.